I uploaded the other 3 videos, and this one is part 4 because I already uploaded 3. I didn't really know what part was there. Ow. So this one is part 4 of me being bored, I guess. It's not really even my day anymore. Probably just me being bored. So I upload videos to entertain people. Probably not even entertaining. But, you know, I try. Don't ask what I was doing. Eating my hair. They're like, oh, what's your favorite snack? That is disgusting. I do it anyways, though. Because I have ADHD. My mom says I don't. But we all know I do. Oh, yes. I almost forgot about the kitty cat. Oh, yes. Oh, we don't want to forget about him, do we? Oh, yeah. That's O'Malley, by the way. He's a trickster. He's my cat. I have 4 of these. I have 4 cats. I have Kiki. I have I have 2 kittens, Sango and Miroku. They're little kitty witties, as I call them. O'Malley is a papa. And I didn't actually adopt those 2 kitties. My cat had them. They're tiny. Actually, they're like they're 4 months old. Ah! Kitty! Attacking the screen! Very cute kitty. Isn't he just adorable? Oh, yes. I only have 107 videos. 86 shorts, I'm pretty sure. I have 107 videos. This is about to be 148. 108. Probably gonna get to 110. I don't know. My phone is only at like 31%. And I'm talking very quietly, and I don't know why. Hope you guys can hear me. The kitty. Yes, the kitty. He's camera shy. He's camera shy. He loves thinking that my hand is his pillow. Oh, yes. And the baby Kai Kai is back there, isn't he? O'Malley and the baby Kai Kai. Ah! My hand is his personal pillow. As you can see. Yeah, I'm a premium. For cats. Boop. It's a kitty. And his personal pillow. Whoa. I'm bored. Chubsters. Then there's Kai Kai. than my dad's Nintendo. We're already at 5 minutes. I'm still bored. So I keep making videos until I'm not bored, which is probably gonna be like 5 more videos. Don't look at my feet. What are you doing? Probably can't even see them. Why do I keep accusing you guys? I'm very sorry. Apparently 1% of Canada is watching my videos, which I'm not going to complain about, because Canada is up there for me. It's all the way up there. Up there. Canada. The baby Kai. Oh. Yeah, how did you switch from that place so fast? How are you so good at that? Yes, that's the baby Kai. Then that's the baby O'Malley. O'Malley. Kai? O'Malley. Why is you so big, Kai? Oh, don't kick O'Malley off the bed. He loves me too. Why do I have to have a big dog? I understand that you love me, but you're gonna have to get off. Help me. Oh, yes, baby. I love you too. You're gonna... Don't roll more over on me. Get off. Oh, ow, my chest. Finally I can breathe. Help me. I just want to make a YouTube video. Please. I'm begging you. Get off of me. Help me. Yes. Are you gonna get off me? Oh, my hand. Just... This is O'Malley. As I said a couple of times. He's cute, isn't he? Oh. Uh-oh. My mom is out of the shower. Let's roll. Hope you guys didn't see anything. That wouldn't be good.
And there are many facets to his operation. SpongeBob, are you getting all this? Here's a comprehensive list of do's and don'ts to follow. Well, this looks easy to remember. It's just a little black smudge. Oh, that's the same paper. You'll need a special grading sticker. Now pay attention as I clue you in on some of your more elaborate responsibilities. This majestic structure is my kelp greenhouse. Its functions are completely automated, so all you have to do is check the thermometer right here and make sure the temperature is normal. And this is the robot warehouse. It's where I keep all my robots. That stands to reason. This part's easy. All you gotta do is come in here and count every single one of these robots and make sure none of them's gone missing. Good job paying attention, SpongeBob. I respect your meticulous nature. Oh, why thank you, SpongeBob. What's next on the list? This here's my worm incubator. They're not sent to hatch
Bro's
for
pissed.
weeks, but I just thought I'd show it to you anyway. And last but not least is my collection of rare and fragile artifacts that have to be cleaned twice daily. Now, are you sure you can handle all that, SpongeBob? Trust me, Sandy, you've got nothing to worry about. Your beloved tree gnome is in my capable hands. Are you sure? Yep. Are you really sure? Really sure. Okay. 2,692, 2,693, 2,694. Sandy said this collection of rare, fragile artifacts needs to be gently cleaned twice daily. Here we go. Not a speck of dust anywhere. Wait a minute. Aha! There we go. Where did you... Looks like everything's fine here. Sandy got these wooden hats for weeks. What is going on?
SpongeBob, there you are!
Oh, what a relief. I thought you were a horrible mutant worm who was about to soak me with digestive juices and slowly consume me over a period of weeks.
Oh, no thanks. I had a late breakfast.
Why are you wearing that funny thing on your head?
Well, because we can't breathe in Sandy's tree dome, remember? It's filled with air.
Oh, yeah, thanks for reminding me. I almost forgot.
Only 2 more minutes, and then I too.
Here you go.
Thanks, Patrick. You're a lifesaver.
Now I'm suffocated. I don't know what devices this is.
We need
So,
clothes.
without further ado, Patrick, I'd like to ask you to please immediately exit the tree dome.
Exit the tree dome?
That's right.
Actually, this is gonna be the last video.
Great idea. We should go jellyfish fields, Gooly Goo, Market Mart, Lucky Larry's.
Yeah, you let me sound.
All right, let's go.
I promise Sandy I'd take extra special care of her tree gnome while she's at the Inventors Convention today. And that is exactly what I intend to do. Patrick, this is a major responsibility.
Well, in that case, I'm gonna stay and help.
Not gonna happen.
Pretty please with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Pretty please with a scoop of strawberry vanilla chocolate ice cream smothered in gooberberry sauce and topped with half a can of whipped topping.
Patrick, what do you take me for?
And a scoop of nuts.
Deal.
Hooray!
But you have to promise not to touch anything.
I, Patrick Star, hereby promise not to touch anything.
Okay, now let's check the list to see what's next. Patrick, no! You promised me you weren't gonna touch anything.
I wasn't touching anything.
Then what are you doing to Sandy's collection of rare artifacts?
Ugly.
Kiss it.
Pretty.
Okay, Patrick, I insist. Now you must stick to me as closely
Ugly.
as possible.
Pretty.
Patrick, I
Still ugly.
make myself hurt. Patrick! Patrick,
He's close enough.
okay, Patrick. Tell me again what it is you're gonna do.
Not touch anything.
What else?
But my eyebrows are going up.
Do anything.
And
Not
That's better.
look at anything.
until when?
Until SpongeBob is
I still don't think that both my eyebrows are
Good boy,
going up.
Patrick.
I don't even know anymore.
Well, now that that's settled, let's see what I can do. Yes, Patrick.
Can I?
Patrick, how many times do we...
Only a little bit. Oh. Ah.